Alrighty, Elizabeth is at my parents' house, Richard's at the dentist, Matthew is sleeping, and we're gonna clean this entire house because Lord knows it needs a pick-me-up. Let's go and do this.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. You got me wrapped around your finger, tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know what to do, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love you play it? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me, go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, nah, nah, now. Oh, nah, nah, now. For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, 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 we ain't got the time. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind.
And I just spent the last 2 hours cleaning while Matthew napped. He should be up any minute. I heard him stir, so he'll probably be up soon because it is 11:55 and he is due to eat at 12. So I'm just putting away some dishes. But like, I feel like this phase of life, it's just like clean. When Matthew sleeps, you clean. And then the other parent plays with Elizabeth. Oh yeah, I hear him stirring. So we are gonna listen to some Office Ladies podcast, and well, I am, and I'm gonna go feed him. But I am so glad the entire upstairs is clean. The main floor is clean. I'm just putting away dishes, and the dishwasher will have to get unloaded. But yeah, and then the basement, there's really nothing to do in the basement. There's still some like little things I can actually I'll quickly share it with you as he starts to wake up. But and we all have stuff to get lunch, but I'll do that after. I did have a little bit of Elizabeth's leftover breakfast, so I'm not like hungry, but let's see what's left to do on the list. Put laundry away, mop upstairs bathroom. Oh, I did that. Pick up groceries, switch laundry over, vacuum, put items away upstairs, put items away downstairs, unload dishwasher, and put dishes in sink away. So not too much that has to be left. Did I say make Richard's lunch? Make Richard's lunch. And dinner, right? All right. Talk to you guys tomorrow, later. Who really knows?